Good morning, dear children. Stay home, stay safe, study for the exams. Today we will solve worksheet of Science and Technology Part 2, Chapter 8, Cell Biology and Biotechnology. Question 1. Choose the correct alternative and write that alphabet against the sub-question number. First sub-question. Methods like artificial insemination and embryo transplant are mainly used for dash, and the options are A. Animal husbandry, B. Wildlife, C. Pet animals, and D. For infertile women. And the correct answer is animal husbandry. 2. The disease related with synthesis of insulin is dash, and the options are A. Cancer, B. Arthritis, C. Cardiac problems, and D. Diabetes. And the correct answer is option D. Diabetes. 3. The property of stem cells is called dash, and the options are A. Diversity, B. Equality, C. Differentiation, and D. Pluripotency. Dear student, answer to this question is option D. Pluripotency. 4. Cell dash starts from 14th day of conception, and the options are A. Development, B. Specialization, C. Growth, and D. Differentiation. The correct option for this question is option D. Differentiation. 5. Dash is the revolutionary event in biotechnology after cloning. The options are A. Human Genome Project, B. DNA discovery, C. Stem cell research, and D. All of the above. Correct answer for this question is option C. Stem cell research. 6. Availability of dash is an important requirement in transplantation. Options are A. Doctor, B. Clinic, C. Donor, D. Ambulance. And the correct answer for this question is option C. Donor. 7. Transgenic raw potatoes generate the immunity against dash disease. Options are A. Plague, B. Cholera, C. Leprosy, and D. TB, tuberculosis. And the correct answer is option B. Cholera. Question number 2. Find out the correlation. 1. Insulin, diabetes. Interleukin, dash. Answer is cancer. 2. Interferon, dash. Erythropoietin, anemia. Answer is viral infection. 3. Dash dwarfism. Factor 8 hemophilia. Answer is somatostatin. 4. White revolution, dairy. Blue revolution, dash. Answer is fishery. Question number 3. Say true or false. Dear students, don't write reason if it is not asked in the question. 1. Changes in genes of the cell are brought in non-genetic technique. This is a false statement. 2. Earlier, insulin was being collected from the pancreas of horses. Students, this is a true statement. 3. Malaria arises due to genetic changes in hepatocytes. This is a false statement. 4. Various essential elements like N, P, K become available to the crops due to earthworms and fungi. This is true statement. 5. We do not have tradition that cures the diseases with the help of natural resources. This is a false statement. Question number 4. Name the following. 1. Organs that can be used in transplantation. Answer is heart, kidney, liver, eyes, skin. 2. Genetically modified crops. Answer BT cotton, BT brinjal and golden rice. 3. Biofertilizers. Answer Rhizobium, Azotobacter, Nostoc and Anabaena. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye.